northeastern Pima County in southeastern Arizona, until 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 4:12 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, the public reported a severe thunderstorm producing large damaging hail up to golf ball size and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located just west of Sagarita and moving northwest at 15 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Sagarita, Tucson Estates, Drexel Heights, Valencia West, 3 Points, Summit, East Sagarita, and San Pedro. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. This storm has a history of producing destructive winds and large hail. This is a very dangerous situation. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time for the following county: Pima, Arizona.
Another one.
The National Weather Service in Tucson has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Pima County in southeastern Arizona until 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 4:12 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, the public reported a severe thunderstorm producing large damaging hail up to golf ball size and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located just west of Sagarita and moving northwest at 15 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Sagarita, Tucson Estates, Drexel Heights, Valencia West, 3 Points, Summit, East Sagarita, and San Pedro. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. This storm has a history of producing destructive winds and large hail. This is a very dangerous situation. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time for the following counties: central and western Pima, northeast Pima, and southeast Pima.